Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will get to know about if seal kit has fault, what problem would occur. This seal kit is smoothly going inside the valve, it means that kit has fault. If we fit this fault kit, it will back leak. Now I have another seal kit, let's check this. Can seem that this kit is not going inside the valve, it means that this seal kit is perfect. This seal can control the back leak. So please like, share and subscribe for such more videos. Thanks for watching.